How to manage FCS People's Choice on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage FCS People's Choice on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and click settings and privacy. After that, click settings and then click activity log, and here just go down until you find this one, groups, communities, events and reels. Click on it and here you will find FCS People's Choice. Click on it and here you can manage FCS People's Choice on Facebook Mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.